Hello everyone, I am Kajal Kumari, student and NSS volunteer of Nistani Women's College, Purulia. I am going to discuss about how can we increase our immune system. As we know, it is essential for our life, but right now it is very important at this pandemic situation. First of all, I am going to tell you about our daily nutrition because we know elder to younger, everyone gives importance to their food first. Now I will tell you some superfoods and supplements that are fulfilled with vitamins. In this list, first are citrus fruits like grapefruit, orange, lemon, lime, tomato. Tomato goes with both fruit and vegetables are highly contain vitamin C. Papaya is another fruit loaded with vitamin C for our health. Second are vegetables like red bell pepper. Red bell pepper is botanically fruit but known as vegetables. Contain almost 3 times much vitamin C. 127 milligram rich source of beta carotene. Mushroom packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. It is packed with vitamins A, E and C as well as fiber and other antioxidants. Spinach rich in vitamin C and packed with numerous antioxidants. Third, supplements like ginger. Ginger helps to reduce a sore throat and inflammatory illness, decrease chronic pain, has cholesterol lowering properties. Turmeric. You may know turmeric as a key ingredient. This bright yellow bitter spice has also been used as an anti-inflammatory. Turmeric. Gooseberries, that is amla, are excellent source of vitamin C. Helps in boosting immunity, metabolism, and prevent viral and bacterial ailments. Fourth, herbs like garlic. Garlic slow down hardening of the arteries. Basil leaves. Basil leaves contain high amount of mercury and iron which released on chewing them. Black cumin related to heart disease risk and has many other favorable effects. Fourth, probiotics like yogurt. Yogurt have the phase, live and active cultures. These cultures may stimulate our immune system to help fight disease. Yakult and fermented foods are also good source. 5. Seeds and nuts. Almonds. A half cup of almonds provides around 100% of the recommended daily amount. It is a fat-soluble vitamin. Sunflower seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, melon seeds are the source of vitamin E. At the 6th is poultry. Chicken is high in vitamin B6 blood cells. 7. Shellfish. Some types of shellfish are packed with zinc. Now the other ways. First is practice meditation, yogasana and pranayama. If you have not started exercising yet, then it is a good time to start. Second, stay hydrated. Drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to stay hydrated. Third, don't compromise on sleep. Good snooze time for 7 to 8 hours is the best way to help our body build immunity. Fourth, distress yourself. Now, other self-care. First is drink herbal tea or decoction of holy waste. Third, apply clarified butter, that is ghee or coconut oil, in both the nostrils to keep nostrils clean. There are many other foods we should take. The battle against the COVID-19 pandemic is fought by our healthcare workers. We can help them by keeping healthy ourselves and limiting our exposures to the virus by staying indoors, social distancing, and following the rules mentioned by government.